sweetly singing o'er the plains. Hey guys, I want to share with you what we eat in a day. I want to start with the bone broth. I love bone broth and I love using cow foot because it has a lot of minerals. It's also less in fat and also tastes so good when you cook it. But it's readily prepared. They have removed the fur and everything. They've just cut it, so my work is just to boil it. I'm going to use an earthen pot because the earthen pot cooks nicely, like it cooks things nicely. So I'm going to add the bones inside there, add a lot of water, like I'm going to put until it is full, then add in some whole onion and also some garlic and some Himalayan salt. Let this cook for 7 hours on medium high until it's done. So here I have the kidney. I'm going to marinate it. I've already cut it into smaller pieces after washing it. I'm going to add a little bit of salt inside there and also a few spices plus some milk powder. Like milk powder was the main thing here. It was the only thing that was going to change this recipe to a different way of its flavors. So I've also added some turmeric. I've added some Spanish paprika. I'm also going, this time I never got the smoked paprika. I love smoked paprika, but still Spanish paprika is not bad either. So I'm adding some garam masala and also I'm adding some curry powder. Then I'm going to add in some milk powder. If you want to enjoy your kidney, just drop in some milk powder, not milk powder. You can cook this without water and then just enjoy it like that without doing anything with it. But with me, I'm going to mix some veggies inside there. So I'm going to also add some chopped garlic and also some onions. I've also added some garlic powder. I think I never mentioned that. Then I'm going to give this a good mix, but I'm adding also some oil. Then give it a good mix. Let it rest for like 4 hours and then I'll be cooking it on low medium heat for, let's say, for 30 minutes. Yeah, for 30 minutes. But I'm not going to add any water when I'm cooking it. It's going to cook itself with its strong juices. So I'm going to cover it, put it aside, and let's wait for like 4 hours. So after that, I'm going to make lunch. I want to make some egg curry. I've added some oil. I'm going to add in some turmeric, some curry powder, and also some garlic powder. I love infusing my oil with some spices when I want my curry to be very, very flavorful. Then I'm adding in some chopped onion and also some chopped garlic. Mix it well. Let it brown a little bit. Remember, whenever you are adding your spices, the heat must be low or just medium so that you don't get to burn the spices. Then this is blended tomatoes. I'm going to give it a good mix, cover it, let it cook down until the water has evaporated. I love cooking my tomatoes for some time so that you can get rid of the raw taste. So from here, I'll not talk much. I'll just write on the screen, and I hope you get to love the recipes. And if you do, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if it is your first time. So I'm adding some coconut cream and then I'll give it a good mix, add some water, and then I will add in the boiled eggs. Angels we have heard on high, sweetly singing o'er the plains, and the mountains in reply, echoing their joyous strains. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Come to Bethlehem and see Him whose birth the angels sing. Come adore on bended knee Christ the Lord, the newborn King. have been boiling this broth for like 6 hours. Yeah, 6 hours. It has even reduced. It has really released all the flavors. You see, it's nicely concentrated. So I'll give it like 1 hour. 1 hour before I can put it aside. If you want to cook bone broth, this is the right way to cook it. Cook it for long so that it can release all the flavors and all the nutrients you need from bone broth.
Sweetly singing o'er the plains and the mountains in reply, echoing their joyous strains. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Come to Bethlehem and see Him whose birth the angels sing. Come adore on bended knee Christ the Lord, the newborn King. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria in excelsis Deo. See Him in a manger laid, Jesus, Lord of heaven and earth. Mary, Joseph, lend your aid. Sing with us our Savior's birth. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria in excelsis Deo.
It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace. Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me. Like you have no options. I ain't take your options. Nah, I'm not the problem. Man, that's on you, yeah. You've been terrorizing me, yeah, I'm always wrong. I knew you lost your mind when you dropped that bomb. Girl, are you crazy? Yeah, you must be crazy. I've been thinking lately it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me. But baby, it's you. Lie like a rat, but take your stuff back. Baby, it's you. Baby, it's you. What whatever, and I would never. Yeah. You've been flexing everywhere. Girl, look in the mirror. Man, you so dirty. Yeah, you look so dirty. You were never worthy. Lately, it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me. But baby, it's you. Lie like a ride, but take your stuff back. Baby, it's you. If I control the weather, then every day would rain on your parade. Shine, you can't chase, yeah. If I was Father Time, then I would change the day. So I never saw your face. What do I have to do to make you go? Oh, baby, it's you. It's you. It's you. It's you. Walk out that door, no, yeah.
Angels we have heard on high, sweetly singing o'er the plains, and the mountains in reply, echoing their joyous strains. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Come to Bethlehem and see Him whose birth the angels sing. Come adore on bended knee Christ the Lord, the newborn King. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria in excelsis Deo. See Him in a manger laid, Jesus, Lord of heaven and earth. Mary, Joseph, lend your aid. Sing with us our Savior's birth. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria Angels we have heard on high, sweetly singing o'er the plains, and the mountains in reply, echoing their joyous strains. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Come to Bethlehem and see